How to change to military time on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Date and Time. You can view and manage the date and time settings from here. If you want to use the military time, then turn on the 24-hour time feature at the top. Military time uses a 24-hour format. Like the 12-hour format, the first two digits represent the hour, and the last two represent minutes. With military time, the day starts with 0000. You have now successfully turned on military time on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily change to military time on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.